In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Sheets with ManyChat. We're going to walk through this step by step so you can confidently connect your Google Sheets account to ManyChat and start using it for things like saving user data, logging responses, or creating automations that rely on spreadsheets. Make sure you're already logged in to both your Google account and your ManyChat account in your browser to make the process smoother. First, open ManyChat and log in if you aren't already. Once you're on your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu. In that sidebar, look for the settings option. It's usually represented by a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on settings. This is where you manage account level tools, including integrations. Inside the settings area, focus again on the left-hand side. You'll see a section called extensions, and under that, one of the options will be integrations. Click on integrations. This is the main hub where you connect external tools like Google Sheets to your ManyChat account. Once you're in the integration section, scroll down until you find the option that says Connect Google Sheets account. There should be a button with that label as well. Click on the Connect Google Sheets account button. This will start the process of linking your Google Sheets to ManyChat. A new browser window or tab will open, prompting you to sign in with your Google account. If you're already logged into a Google account, you'll see it listed there, and you can simply select it. If you want to use a different Google account, click on Use another account and enter the email and password for the account that owns the sheets you want to connect. After selecting or logging into your Google account, the page will refresh and you'll see a message indicating that you're signing in to allow ManyChat to connect. Click Continue at the bottom right. You'll then be asked what level of access ManyChat should have to your Google Sheets. Typically, you'll need to allow access so ManyChat can read from and write to your spreadsheets. Choose the appropriate permissions, then click. Continue again. Next, the page will reload once more, and you'll see a message saying that Google Sheets wants to access your ManyChat account. This is confirming the connection from the other direction. Click Allow to finish the process. Once you allow access, your Google Sheets account will be successfully linked to ManyChat, and you'll be ready to use it in your automations and flows.